Welcome. If you want to make your Telegram group more organized and professional, adding a custom link name to your group invite link is a great way to do it. With the latest Telegram web update, the process is easier than ever. Here's how you can add a link name to your group on Telegram web using your PC. First, open Telegram web in your browser and log into your account. Make sure you're an admin of the group you want to edit. Once you're in, find your group from the chat list and click to open it. At the top right corner of the group chat, you'll see 3 dots. Click on them. From the drop-down menu, select Edit. This will take you to the group settings page, where you can manage everything from the group name to permissions. Next, look for the section labeled Invite Links. Click on it to view all the active invite links for your group. You'll see your main invite link listed here, along with any additional links you've created. To add a name to your link, find the invite link you want to customize. Right next to it, you'll notice another set of 3 dots. Click on these. From the options that appear, choose Edit. A window will pop up allowing you to enter a custom link name. Type in the name you want for your invite link. This could be something descriptive, like VIP members or event access, depending on how you plan to use the link. Once you've entered your desired name, click Save to confirm your changes. Finally, click Done to exit the settings. That's it. Your invite link now has a custom name, making it easier to manage and share with the right people. This feature is perfect for groups that use multiple invite links for different purposes, helping you keep track of who's joining and why. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your fellow group admins and keep your Telegram community running smoothly.